In this video, I'm going to show you a website that pays you $100 to your PayPal account for every single article that you write. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we'll talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today I want to bring you a website that I found that pays you $100 to your PayPal account if you're able to get your article approved. I've made some videos talking about how you can make money writing as a freelancer. I also posted this video a few months ago where I talk about different websites that are willing to pay you money to write articles. So if you enjoy writing content for websites, blogs, ebooks, and things like that, so then I suggest you watch that video because it shows you how you can make up to $20 per hour writing content online. But the website that I'm going to show you today is different. This is a blog basically where you have a lot of different articles being posted every single day. And the website is called Listverse. And this is basically a network of top 10 articles for different categories. You'll find categories on technology, health, and a lot of different categories which you can submit content to the website. Now they have some rules that you need to follow, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how the website looks. So this website is basically dedicated specifically to top 10 lists. If you're a creative person and you can write top 10 things about specific topics and different categories, then you can make money submitting content to this website. You can also do this with other websites out there. You don't have to do it for this specific website, but this one was kind of different because they basically focus only on top 10 lists. So let's jump into my computer so I can show you exactly the type of requirements that they are asking in order for you to get approved, and also exactly the type of content that you're going to be writing. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. This is the website. It's called Listverse. It's basically like a blog, but all the content is about a top 10 list, and you can see top 10 world's last unexplored places. You can also go down. We can see they have some technology categories, and they have a bunch of different categories which you can write content for. So if you have creative ideas of top 10 lists that you want to do, then you can definitely use this to make $100. They also have entertainment. You can see gaming. So there's a lot of different types of categories which you can create top 10 lists for. This is what they actually ask for, which is you can get paid $100 for each article. So as you can see, they explain exactly what it takes to get approved. You write your list, 10 items per list, and you send it in. We reply. If they like it, they'll send you $100 to your PayPal account. If they don't actually like the content that you're writing, basically they'll let you know and say just give it another shot. Or you can also take that content and you can also publish it on your own blog. If you have a blog, you can easily build something like this for yourself, where you can also monetize the content that they're not approving. So I'm going to put a link for this page so you can read, all the rules and the things that you need to know before you actually submit your content. But there's also something that you can do. You can promote yourself. You can promote your blog using this method in case that you don't want to charge for your content. You can also get some exposure if you actually submit the content and just say, hey, would you guys be okay with linking to my blog if you really enjoy my article? I'm not going to charge you $100, but just link to my blog because it's going to help me get more exposure. But if you don't have a blog, if you just want to be able to make $100 for submitted creative writing on top 10 lists, then Listverse is definitely a good option. All right, so as you can see, the website is Listverse. They have all different types of lists on many different categories. And if you can come up with ideas that you can submit to this website and you get it approved, then you can make $100. Now, you can also do this with your own blog. In this case, they have it with multiple categories and many different topics. But if you wanted to narrow it down to, for example, travel blog, you can do a travel blog talking about the top 10 things to do in New York, for example, top 10 things to do in a specific place, where you can do the exact same thing that these guys are doing. You can also monetize it with Google AdSense and many other platforms that allow you to monetize your content. In my opinion, it's actually more profitable to do this with your own blog instead of just submitting the content for $100. Basically, you get paid $100 for your content, but they get to monetize your content forever, meaning that if your content actually goes viral on Facebook, if it gets a lot of traffic, they're gonna make way more than $100. So you can do this exact same thing with your own blog if you wanted to do that. But most people that don't like setting up the technical aspects of building a blog, they prefer to just write for someone else and just submit their content and get paid for the content. If that's you, then this is perfect for you. If you want to make more money and just monetize your content forever with your own blog, then my advice is to just start your own blog. I have some resources below which can help you. I would also recommend downloading my free affiliate marketing guide, which can show you exactly how to monetize your content online, how you can make money with affiliate marketing. It's 100% free, and you can download it in the description below. With that said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.